Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix app not installed as app isn't compatible with your phone. Now, this problem, you may face it a lot, and there are multiple ways to solve this problem, and one way may work with you. So stick around to the video and try them one by one. And after each way you try, you can simply see if your issue is fixed or not. If it is not, you can go check the next way. Now, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open your settings. And now we are going to update our phone. So I'm going to click on About Phone, then click on the Android version or click on update right here. Then I will click on check for updates and see if I have any updates available for now or not. If I have one, I should update the phone and try to see if the issue is fixed or not. Now, if you still have the problem, you can now go to the apps. And now let's say that you are going to download this application or install it from App Store. So I'm going to click on manage apps, then search here for app or Google Store or Play Store, whatever it is. As you can see here, Google Play Store. And now after going to the Google Play Store app info, you should now click on storage, then click on clear data and clear all the data by clicking on clear all data, then click on OK. And this if you are trying to install the application from Google Play itself. But now if you're trying to do the same thing but from Chrome, you will have to go to Chrome like this and do the same step. Go to storage, then click on clear data and click on clear cache and make sure that you have all things clear. Now, once you finish this step, you should now go and try to restart your phone by clicking on reboot right here. And after that, you can check if the issue is fixed or not. Now, that was the second way to solve your problem. The third way and the last one that I'm going to introduce in this video is to simply go back to the same applications that we have opened. And now I want you to give it all the permissions. So go to app permissions and click on allow for all. Now I have this one right here, not allowed. I'll just click on allow only while using the app, then go back. And here I have all things allowed for this application. You should do the same thing for Chrome if you are using Chrome to install apps directly. So I will go to Chrome, app permissions, then give it permissions to all things as you can see. Then try to see if the issue is fixed or not. And if you can actually delete all the updates that you have for this application, you can simply remove the updates for this application and see if the issue is fixed or not. But most probably the way number one and way number two will work with you and will solve your problem. So you might just have to update the phone and all things will be all right. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.